Best.
Welcome back. Many of us saw 2 to 4 inches with locally higher amounts that exceeded 4, 5 to 7. Again, a month, if not 2 months worth of rainfall that fell basically from yesterday, last night, and early this morning. This is just a sampling. 5.8 there in Syria and Madison County, Barbersville and western Orange County, just over 5 3/4 of an inch. Boyd Tavern in Albemarle, 5.6, nearly 5 inches at Wintergreen, Waynesboro over 3, Charlottesville over 3 as well. And of course, scenes like this have certainly played out over the last 24 hours. There's the scene from Lisa Benton in Standardsville of the South River Bridge washed over. And of course, there are road closures and the like. And of course, at night, it's even harder to see flooding. Here's the look at the Mechunk Creek in Keswick, captured by Robert Stouffer there, certainly muddy and out of its banks, and that's the case across the region. These are all the flood reports from last night, early this morning. We still have ongoing river flooding that will continue, such as the Ravenna at Palmyra, of course the James River, the Rapidan, the Rappahannock, all that still under river flood warning. Now the flood watch across the region goes until midnight. Of course, it's not going to take a whole lot of additional rain or training of showers and storms over the same areas that'll just agitate and aggravate problems. We do have a flood advisory for a small section of Louisa County along the 522 corridor there, Wares Crossroads, down toward Mineral, where some heavier rain fell earlier. Most concerning right now is the activity in Orange County, crossing the Rapidan into Culpeper and Madison. Those are some heavy cells there with some heavier downpours that are underway, and we'll zoom in on some of that activity now. And this is basically approaching along the Rapidan, so areas especially north and east of the town of Orange. You get up toward the 522 corridor and out toward Burr Hill, Everonia, Grassland. Here we are at Somerset. That is lifting and pivoting off toward Madison and Culpeper County. So again, heavier rain is working in your direction. We'll widen out the view, and some of the bigger showers and storms have been across the I-95 corridor and now across portions of southeastern Virginia. So we may catch a little break with the heaviest activity off to our east tonight. Temperatures right now for most of us are in the lower 70s. Here we go with the Futurecast showing you some additional showers and storms tonight. After midnight, things quiet down. And as far as our planner for tomorrow, it's going to turn much warmer. We'll see some sunshine, but a few afternoon storms. Some of those could be isolated severe with a damaging wind gust or some spotty hail. And Futurecast is showing some activity after 4 or 5 o'clock. We'll watch that closely, but again, we're still going to see some more active weather to finish out the week and maybe start the weekend. Temperatures are going to turn much warmer here to finish out this week as well. So we've been under the influence of this big broad area of low pressure. It's slowly weakening, but it's still funneling moisture in our direction. Of course, temperatures held down near and around that area of low pressure with the showers and storms. So the first alert weather day continues tonight with the flood watch in effect. Some additional showers and rain, and it could still prompt some flooding. Temperatures upper 50s to lower 60s. There's a look at the Michael and Son 7-day forecast. Temperatures back in the 80s here for the rest of the week and to start the weekend. And improving conditions later Saturday into Sunday and some quiet days early next week.
All right, Eric, thank you.